What's going on, everyone? Today's the 19th of August, 2023. We're going to talk about GameStop real quick. I mean, is anyone even doing videos in GameStop right now? Maybe I should stop doing videos in GameStop because the hype, the short squeeze between GameStop and AMC and, the MOAS that so many people were doing video content for. Yeah, you kind of don't see that anymore. But I'm still here to give you all predictions as to what I see GameStop up to. Now you guys can see it. It's been a while since I did a price prediction in GameStop. Last video was produced there on June the 27th. Okay, and I was looking for the market to go down at GameStop, and here it is. Yeah, so you cannot say that you did not know that the market in GameStop was weak, and it even exceeded our expectations. Now check this out though. This could be the bottom before price in GameStop goes up. Could be. What do you think? We're going to look at the price chart to tell us what the market is thinking. All right. So congratulations to those who was able to grab the bag here in GameStop right there on the 2nd of August, 11.25%. If you already got the mark on the last trade of Friday, you guys can see it's 20%. Okay. Now let's talk. Bullish or bearish? What do you think? Because earnings is coming up in GameStop on September the 6th. Price may continue to go lower until we reach that point, and then the market will begin to go higher, because you can only go down so far before the market comes back and say, dang, this stock is relatively cheap. Let me come in and start buying here. And then the market, once earnings comes up, will go to the upside. You can see it right here. That this was the bottom in the GameStop on May the 2nd. And then that's when the market completely went up. The price is there again today. You guys can see it. So for us, if we find the bottom in GameStop, don't be surprised if it's around $18. Because if history is a predictor, then you have a result right there on May the 2nd. Take a look at GameStop on the 2-day chart. I mean, this is a dead stock. Nobody in GameStop is buying this. Nobody. If anyone's buying it, there's more sellers than there are buyers, because price completely falls off. Here it is on the 5. Okay, take a look at this on the weekly. This weekly price bar tells me that what is different from this last move to the downside once price came to $18 is this is where the buyers entered. You guys can see this price bar versus this one, and it looks totally different. There's still weakness on the weekly chart. Take a look at GameStop on the 2, GameStop on the 3, and this is the completed 3 weekly price bar, and that is definitely weakness. We may see the market in GameStop come all the way down to this price. Maybe a little bit higher. Just saying. Charts don't lie. The market in GameStop over the last 9 weeks has done nothing but going down. Take a look at GameStop on the 5, and then again on the monthly. Okay, so the only thing that I would tell you, because most definitely the predicting of this market in GameStop is telling us that the market is definitely weak. Okay, it is definitely telling us that. The only thing would be price and buyers continue to show up at around $18. That's it. Outside of that, if those buyers are not there, then we will see the market in GameStop go lower. Okay, so let's look at this on the hourly chart, and I think you guys can see a little bit better. Are you seeing buyers come in the market right here in GameStop right now? Are they showing up? That's the 7 hour. Take a look at this on the 5. Are they showing up there? Can you see buyers here? What about on the 1 hour? Do you see the buyers here? Because right here on these 1 hour price bars, I'm seeing a lot of selling entering the market in GameStop. A lot. So we may see the market bounce a couple of days above $18, but don't get it twisted. This market definitely still looks bearish. Okay, so we may see a small pop move to the upside in GameStop. Don't get happy. Don't get ecstatic, because it's due for a move higher. It's due for that, and we're literally around an area of support into the market for GameStop, but we may just see the market run up to 20. Okay, But yeah, I'm not bullish, not yet. So let me put this on the daily chart, and we're going to look for price in GameStop to continue to be bearish. Now I do understand the risk, because I do recognize that this is where buyers are. They came in the beginning of May. They could do it again here. But from what I'm seeing on multiple time frames, it's telling me that the probable move in GameStop is still reflecting weakness. So that's what we're going to do. So I wouldn't be surprised if the market in GameStop tries to go higher in the beginning stages. But like I said, it's going to be around $20. I think that's where the resistance is going to come in. I think that's where the sellers would be. I would say first around like 19.25 and then 20 to where the sellers would be. Okay. Now my first target to where I suspect the market in GameStop is trying to go is going to be around 1750. Okay, that's only 4.47%. And then my second target is going to be down here towards 1647. All right, so that is it. Those are my targets. That's what I'm looking for the market in GameStop to run. Go ahead and give me your thoughts about what do you think. Hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to the channel to get more of this understanding and content as to how we suspect the price is going to move without any confusion, without looking at someone else's articles, opinions, videos. This is where the market works. This is where the truth lies. All right, that's it. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.